Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are three exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Easy level. Nobody can find the number 49. Excellent, you picked the right one. Can you find the odd emoji within given time? In the end of video, comment your score. How many did you find the odd one? Can you find the odd letter VN? This one is the right letter. Focus Master can find the number 83. Amazing, you are a focus master. Can you identify the odd number 90? Excellent, you identified the right one. Puzzle Master can find the letter double Z. Awesome, this one is the odd letter. Anybody can find the odd emoji within time? This one is the odd emoji. Brain test. Can you find the letter XP? Your brain is amazing. Difficult to find the number 76. Amazing, you are a master of difficult quiz. Can you find the unique letter NC? This one is the unique letter. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the odd value within 15 seconds? This one is the odd valley. Excellent. Can you find the odd number within given time? That's one, the odd number. Genius can find the odd number within given time limits. Really, you are a genius, man. Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Great job, you find it within time. No one can find the odd letter within given time frame. This one is the odd letter. Amazing. Genius viewers, impossible to find the odd number. I know this was impossible, but you find it. Genius, can you find the odd emoji within time? This one is the right one. Can you find the odd one within given time? Amazing, this one is the odd one. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? Yes, this one is the unique number. Genius viewers, attention here. Can you find the odd number? Really, you are a genius. Can you pick the odd one number within given time? Yes, you picked the right number. Anybody can find the odd one letter within time. Excellent. This one is the odd letter. Viewers, one number is different. Can you find it? Amazing. This number is the different number. Test your brain. Find the odd letter. Your brain will be tested. Eyes test. Can you find the odd number within time? Amazing, your eyes will be tested. 2 exciting level done, hard level start. 99% failed to find the odd emoji. This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Are you smart? Find the odd number within time. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Brain test. Can you find the odd number within time? Quiz lover, can you see it? The odd letter? Test your brain power. Find the odd number. Only 1% can find the odd emoji. Test your sharp eyes. Find the odd letter. Test your brain IQ. Find the odd number. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number within time. Can you find a different letter within given time? Genius, can you find the odd one letter within time? Can you solve this riddle? What has been broken before you can use it? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd one? And subscribe the channel.